The new Itaste MVP 3.0 Pro. This is the latest addition to the range of MVP batteries. This is the latest offering, which now has 4,500 mega amp hours, an operating wattage of 6 watts through to 60 watts, so that's double the last battery. Operating voltage is 3 volts through to 9 volts. These are probably the main things. Also, the resistance has now dropped from 0.4 to 0.2 ohms resistance minimum. Still with the USB charging. So let's have a look at opening this up. As you can see, it now includes the kit, which has the new iSub G. So this is the upgraded version of the iSub. This comes with a metal ring around the top rather than an all plastic or acrylic type style top. Just another thing I've just noticed, we still get the original scratch and check code on the actual box. So let's get this cracked open and give it a go. So we can see this is the latest version, now in gold. This is probably one of the first ones in the UK, in fact, which has just landed this morning. Never been used or turned on before. Just having a look at it. Yeah, so you can see that it's now got this honeycomb effect style. I would have actually said this is verging on copper, copper stroke gold. So let's fire this on. So usual 3 clicks to turn on. Obviously there's no atomizer attached, and this is the first iSub G I've actually seen. So yeah, looks like a nice improvement from the previous version. Still got the locking when you twist it round. See that there, which locks, which is quite a nice feature. Just taking this apart. Standard 0.5 ohm coil. Comes apart quite easily. And the screw on base. That's actually glasses, this one. I think the other versions were actually plastic. Drip tip is actually removable in this one. Right, okay. So the previous version of this, it wasn't removable. And I see they've actually made this in plastic, so I'm assuming that's to reduce the actual heat transfer back to the drip tip. So let's put this back together. This actually looks slightly modified as well for the ventilation. Yeah, that is different from the original. You've got the original USB micro USB cable and the usual Ego style adapter, which stays in the box for me. So that's everything in the main box. I'm just putting this back together and we'll give it a go. Okay, so we've now got the tank filled up with some Beard number 64 on a 0 milligram, and I believe this is some type of candy, cotton candy sort of flavour. But let's give this a try. But the tank, as you can see, looks stunning in this new look, with the all steel iSub and the new gold version MVP Pro with the 60 watts. So just starting this back up again. So there you can see we can now actually go up to 44 watts. Right. I'm not quite sure what the S stands for. Let's get this back to wattage. That's better. Okay, so cranking this back up, as you can see, it's going all the way up to 60 and back around again. And you can see the resistance of the actual coil is set at 0.44. Now the optimum vaping range for this coil is between 20 and 35. I find it smokes okay around the sort of 20-21 mark for my personal preference. People who prefer to have it a little bit warmer are okay to push that a little bit higher up. But let's just give this a try. So I'm just taking a look at this. That's actually telling us how long we've actually held the fire button for, which is interesting. That's a new improved feature of this product. But just giving this a go. So as you can see, plenty of smoke production there. Plenty of flavour. Lovely. So there you have it. The MVP Innokin Itaste MVP3.0 Pro. Bit of a tongue twister, but there you go. Thank you. Bye.